Are you planning a boy baby shower and looking for the most creative and stylish decor ideas? Want to move beyond the traditional blue and create a memorable and personalized event? Whether you're dreaming of a classic, rustic, modern, or adventure-themed baby shower, I've got 10 must-try decor ideas that will make your celebration extra special. Stay till the end because I'll be sharing one game-changing tip that will instantly elevate your baby shower decor.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best color themes for a boy baby shower? Choosing the right color palette sets the tone for the entire boy baby shower. While blue is a classic choice, there are so many other creative options. Sage green and beige give a nature-inspired look. Navy and gold create an elegant, sophisticated vibe. If you love something playful, mint green, gray, and baby blue work beautifully together. Loving these color ideas? Like and share this video with someone planning a baby shower. How can I create a stunning backdrop for a boy baby shower? A beautiful backdrop makes a perfect photo spot and enhances the theme. Balloon arches in coordinating colors add a festive touch. A custom name sign with greenery or wooden accents gives a modern and stylish feel. If you're planning a themed shower, use a printed backdrop featuring an adventure, safari, or nautical design for an eye-catching statement. Want more backdrop inspiration? Check the description for my favorite decor picks. How can I make gorgeous centerpieces for a boy baby shower? Centerpieces add personality to the tables and make the setup more visually appealing. Fill mason jars with baby's breath or eucalyptus for a natural touch. Use wooden crates or mini suitcases for an adventure-themed centerpiece. For a unique and interactive idea, create small baby bottle favors with tiny flowers that guests can take home. Want centerpiece ideas tailored to your theme? Subscribe for more creative baby shower decor tips. What are the best table decoration ideas for a boy baby shower? A well-decorated table ties the entire theme together. Choose table runners in soft textures like linen or gauze in your chosen color palette. Use wooden or metallic tableware to enhance the style. Place mini floral or greenery centerpieces with baby-themed elements like wooden blocks, baby shoes, or tiny teddy bears. Which table decor style do you like best? Comment below and let me know. How can I add DIY decor to a boy baby shower? DIY elements make the baby shower extra meaningful and budget-friendly. Make a fabric garland using blue, beige, or gray fabric strips for a cozy touch. Create a DIY welcome sign with wooden letters and greenery. Design a wishes for baby station where guests can write notes for the little one and hang them on a board. Love DIY decor? Check the description for my full list of DIY baby shower projects. What are some cute dessert table ideas for a boy baby shower? A dessert table should be both delicious and visually stunning. Use tiered trays to display cupcakes, cookies, and cake pops with baby-themed designs. Set up a donut wall or candy jars with blue and white treats for a fun twist. Add a themed cake topper, a baby boy banner, or small plush toys to complete the setup. Which dessert do you think is a must-have for a baby shower? Drop your answer in the comments. What lighting works best for a boy baby shower? Lighting can set the mood and enhance the decor theme. Fairy lights inside glass jars or hanging from the backdrop create a magical effect. Lanterns with warm-toned LED candles add a soft, elegant glow. If your baby shower is outdoors, string lights draped over a pergola or between trees create a dreamy, intimate setting. Do you prefer fairy lights or candles for a baby shower? Let me know in the comments. How can I set up a stylish seating area for a boy baby shower? A designated seating area makes the event more comfortable and visually appealing. Use vintage wooden chairs with blue or white cushions for a classic look. Create a cozy lounge area with pillows and blankets for a relaxed, boho vibe. For a themed seating setup, use baby blue tents or teepees decorated with fairy lights and plush rugs. Want more cozy seating ideas? Check the description for my recommended decor pieces. These 10 boy baby shower decor ideas will help you create a stylish and unforgettable celebration for your little one's arrival. Which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my favorite baby shower decor recommendations. Let's make this baby shower beautiful and memorable.